really going to be upgrading the pond this year, so I went with this TetraPond filter. So this is a pretty ingenious filter. It uses UV. I'm going to go ahead and screw off the one end here. It's a hard, I'm assuming PVC shell or case or compartment or whatever you want to call it. And you can see the water is going to go through one side and out the other. And then it's going to go past this long light. And this is a UV light. This goes inside. And this is what all the water in the pond will go past. And this way we can get a good UV blast on all that pond water. With this size of unit, it's going to flow great. It has a ballast here, big long cord, and then a 3-prong outlet to plug it into the wall. The TetraPond UV filter. Hope this helps.